Making a water gauge coming up. Smashing. So today we're going to be having a look at machining and putting together a quarter BSP water gauge. So we're here at the computer now. We're going to take a quick look at the drawing. So we've got the quarter BSP thread that we need to machine, and we also have a 26mm diameter that we have to machine, which is where the 3/4 square will be machined onto afterwards. So firstly we're going to machine that 26mm diameter and then machine the quarter BSP thread. So we'll go and cut some bar up and we'll get that machined up. So I'm down here with the saw. Now a couple of weeks ago I bent over and hit my head on this, so then I had a sore head. Can't believe it. Okay, yeah, so we're down here with the saw. We've got some bronze for the water gauges set up. We're going to cut into 3 1-metre lengths, and then as soon as we've done that we'll get it in the machine and we'll start turning it. Let's go. So we've got his bar cut now. Let's get in the machine and do that machining. Let's go, go, go. We've got the tool set up, we've got the program in the machine, and I don't mean friends or DIY SOS. Time for some machining. Let's go, go, go. So we've got both sides machined now. Excellent. We've also got bottom part blow down done. Time for some milling now. Yes, let's go. So if at this stage you're wondering what a water gauge is and how it works, if you wait till the end of the video, once we've got it all machined and made up, I'll explain to you exactly what it does. So that's the machining done on the body for the water gauge. We've got the blowdown tool machine now, so we're going to get on and do that, and then we'll move on to the next part. So time for some bending. We're going to bend these valves here. Before that, I'll explain how I machine that. So we machine this end first, which is the valve itself, and then we turned it round. And we brought some jaws out, so it held nice and concentric on there, and then we machine the other side. So let's get on with this. We've got one set up here. I've already bent one, so I can use that as a guide to to bend the other ones up. I've made this little tool, so we slip it over there like that, and we bend, baby, bend. And then we bring it down to about there. Oh, we're about there. Look at that, nice and easy. Yeah, baby. Okay, so we've done the machining, and I've actually gone ahead and put it all together now. So you can see that. Valves in. We've got this little bit on the bottom and inside there. We have a couple of little, I don't know if you can see them or not, a couple of little O-rings. So when the glass is in there, as this nut clamps up, it seals them. So steam, water can't escape. But here's a little drawing, and I'll just explain on paper how the valve seals. Okie dokie. So we have our PTFE bush that goes in here like this. There we go. And that's a press fit in there, and it comes level just with the bottom of the thread. So as the valve goes in, the valve touches the top of the PTFE bush, and then we screw the gland nut on top of that. We screw it in and nip it up so it pushes it down in its way it needs to be, and then because the valve's sealed on the PTFE bush, we can back the nut off a little bit. We just glue that in with some stud lock, and everything's sealed, nothing can come out. And then that's that part put together. Okay, so now for how it works. Okay, so well, this is the bottom one. As you can see, we've also got the blow down on there, and that is for if you have a mucky glass and you can't quite see the water, you can turn that valve and it'll open it all up and it'll blow the glass out, close it back up, you get water coming up, and it helps to see or you can see water better. So that's what that does. And what happens is, where are we? So you have the two, and these will be sat like that. You'll have your glass up there, and the threads obviously they screw into the back of a steam boiler, so you've got water circulating and steam circulating all the time. So then these valves in that position, they can shut each cock off, and then in the down position that creates the flow all the way around. And basically all those are doing, all the glass is doing, is so you can see what the level is in the boiler, so that you don't get too low and cause damage to it. And then if you break a glass, which sometimes does happen, you can shut these cocks off like so, like that, and it'll stop any steam coming into these cocks. So that's kind of a bit of a safety thing. because if you do break your glass, obviously water, steam, that's going to be spewing out and you're going to get covered in it. So if that happens, as I say, to shut those off, and that's how you stop steam coming out. And that's just a quick rundown of how those work. If anybody wants a more detailed video of how they're put together, or if there's anything specific that you want to look at as regards these or any other fittings or anything like that, leave a comment down below. But I think that wraps this video up for now. I'm going to be doing some more videos, so if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the videos, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.